Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go over how to record rent payments on your QuickBooks account. Now, it is actually quite simple. All you need to do is you need to be signed in to your QuickBooks account, of course. And once you're in your dashboard, look towards your left-hand side and hover your mouse on the create option. So once you hover it here on the upper left corner, you are going to see this pop up under customers. It is the first tab here. You want to click on receive payment. So when you click receive payment, you are going to be brought to this page right here. Now, rent is pretty much a transaction and it is a payment, right, from your tenant. So here you want to enter customer name. You can add your customer name here. And then if they have an email, sure, add the email here. And then find the invoice number if you have an invoice number for this specific transaction. The payment date or the due date for that month's rent, right? And then fill up the payment method. Did they pay using cash, check, debit, or credit card? Enter reference number here and then deposit to, right? And then make a note if there are any, right? And then attach here if, for example, they've screenshotted that they sent the check on your bank and they took a screenshot of the check. You can attach it here if they send it to you, or if they screenshotted, say they have an online bank and they use the credit card there and they showed you the transaction, you can attach it here too for saving. And then after that, you can save and close and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.